Bonjour, welcome back to French for Middle Schoolers. In this video, we're going to cover how to conjugate the three groups of verbs in French: ER verbs, IR verbs, and RE verbs. First, let's go over the general rule for all verb conjugations. First, remove the last two letters of the infinitive form of the verb to obtain the root. And second, add the specific endings for each type of verb. Let's start with ER verbs by using the verb aimer as an example. Aimer means to love, and as you can see, it ends with the letters ER. Most French verbs that end with the letters ER are conjugated this way, but there are a few exceptions, which we will cover in a later video. So to conjugate a regular ER verb, you must follow these steps. Remove the ER, so you're left with the stem. In the case of aimer, you would be left with aim. Add the appropriate ending that goes with each subject. For each subject pronoun, there's a different ending you must add onto the stem of the verb. The endings for ER verbs are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. So the complete conjugation for aimer would be j'aime, tu aimes, il, elle, on aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, il, elle aime. Now let's cover IR verbs, taking the verb finir as an example. Finir means to finish, and like all regular IR verbs, it ends with the letters IR. There are some verbs that end with IR but are not conjugated regularly, but we will cover those in a later video. So to conjugate an IR verb, you have to follow the same steps as an ER verb, but there are different stems. Using finir, the stem is fin after you remove the IR. The endings are is, it, issons, issez, and issent. So the complete conjugation for finir would be je finis, tu finis, il, elle, on finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, il, elle finit. Finally, we're going to learn how to conjugate RE verbs, taking the French verb attendre as an example. Attendre means to wait for, and just like the other types of verbs, all RE verbs end with the letters RE. Similar to other types of verbs, you remove the RE and add the endings. The endings for RE verbs are S, no ending for the il, elle, on form, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Make sure you remember that for the il, elle, and on form of the verb, there is no additional ending. For attendre, the stem would be attendre, and the complete conjugation would be j'attends, tu attends, il, elle, on attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils, elles attendent. That's it for this video. Make sure you take the time to memorize the different endings because they are necessary for a lot of the French verbs. Also, keep in mind that these rules only apply to regular verbs. In later videos, we will go over some of the irregular verbs that don't follow these rules. I hope this video helped. Au revoir!